back, mga kapsat, no? So, pag-usapan natin yung kung ano man nangyari kanina, pag-usapan natin, mukhang nagkaroon ng mala World War III ang ating defense team at ang prosecution team. Diyos ko Lord, Rudy, anyari, ha? Putragis. Naku po, may umiiyak mga kakabsat. Si Atty. Kapunan naman kasi, masyado mo naman ginalingan. Kaya tuloy, yung mukha ni Atty. Christine Ferrer ba yun? Diyos ko Lord, talagang hindi mo naman ipinta eh. Kasi, I have a high respect to kay Atty. Kapunan. Tapos biglang, tayo parang nagdadrama dito na may eulogy. Buhay pa ako! O siya, huwag na natin patagalin ito. Nakamote. Kaya nako po, mag-enjoy tayo ngayon. Marami tayong pag-uusapan. Sigurado, mabibwisit na naman ng mga garapata, mga kapsat. O sige, pakita natin. Let's start! Let's do this! O, press 1 na sa mga nandyan. Press 1 po sa mga nandyan, no? Let's do this. Okay, nako po, prosecution team, pinayaka ang mga defense team. Bakit? Ano siligutan? Nako po, galit na galit si Atty. Kapunan, galit na galit si Sison kay Kapunan, kay Sison kay Ligutan. Kasi dahil sa renil talk lang naman, mga kakabsat, Diyos ko Lord. Nako po. O, sige. Let's do this. Ay, ba't ko tinanggal? Sorry, ano ba yan? Okay, let's do this. O, ito, sabi dito, Atty. Sheila, sabi ni Atty. Palsis, Atty. Sheila Sison defended Atty. Christine Ferrer by saying Ferrer did not say misleading question are allowed and that Ferrer was talking about is the previous point of Atty. Lorna Kapunan. We all heard it. Yes, malinaw. No? We all heard it. Don't gaslight us. Hindi kami DDS, hindi kami uto-uto. Paano ba kasi nangyari ito, Mamsat? Ito. Teka lang. O, ito, pakinggan. Ako, dami natin. Teka lang. Ito ba yun? O, ito yun.
Misleading questions are not allowed. Misleading questions are not allowed.
They are allowed.
Council, please.
They are allowed daw yung misleading questions. Alak ng kamote.
Misleading questions are not allowed.
They are allowed.
Council, please.
O, nakita nyo, tumatawa yung mga nasa paligid. Pinagtatawanan siya.
Misleading questions are not allowed.
They are allowed.
Council,
Nagulat ang mga legal luminaries, mga attorney, mga kakabsat sa sagot ni Ferrer. Allowed daw ang misleading questions. Alak na kamoting leading question yan.
Please, Council.
Di ba? Wala na. Pinagtawanan talaga siya dito, mga kakabsat, no? Diyos ko po. Ito.
I have high respect for Atty. Kapunan. In fact, she's one of my idols.
In fact, she's one of my idol. Kaso,
Council.
Let's end here.
You can end there.
It might sound like a eulogy, Your Honor. I'm still very much alive.
Huwag kasi magdrama dyan. Si Kapunan ang kaharap mo. Huwag mong dramahan yan. Nako po. Parang natatawa talaga ako for the entire last week hanggang this week. Para lang silang pinaglalaruan ni Atty. Kapunan. Ini-enjoy niya lang. Samantalang tong kampo ni Sara, anak ng kamote, putragis, pikon na pikon. Diyos ko Lord, pikon na pikon mga kakapsat. No? As in, hindi nila matanggap na ganun sila dinudurok ni Atty. Kapunan. Same as Atty. Ligutan, di ba? Para silang nile-lecture. Sabi pa nga ni Atty. Kapunan, sige, I'll behave. So, kundi baka maslap ko siya, mas-punk. Papalo ko siya. Visit. Kaya enjoy ako sa mga nakikita kong mga dito, mga kabsat. Ito pa, tingnan natin.
Kasi sabi mo,
Ito.
kasi sabi mo, kailangan to apprehension. Kasi sabi mo, dapat may mahuli. Sinabi mo ba yan sa JC na dapat may mahuli?
Ang nakalagay po kasi sa JC under 4.8.5 is proof of success.
Your Honor, please.
Let the witness answer your
Honor, please.
Presiding officer, can the council be instructed not to stop the witness at mid-sentence, Your Honor?
Your Honor, please, can the witness be directed? Just answer with yes or no. The counsel has her time to ask clarificatory questions later
Your Honor,
during
not
the
all
direct, Your
questions.
Honor.
Not all questions can be answered by yes
I am
or
on
no.
cross, Your Honor, please.
Counsel.
Never mind if you're on cross. There are limits to cross-examination. Misleading questions are not allowed.
They
on
are
cross.
allowed.
Counsels,
I don't think I need to lecture
please,
you that.
counsels, let's not allow the generational or seeming generational divide increase the tension in the courtroom. Let's keep it a notch lower.
Your Honor, please, I am preventing myself from giving her a spanking, Your Honor.
Prevent niya yung sarili niya to give her a spank. What the thing is? Ay, lang kamote, lusaw siya dito, mga kapsat. Para siyang musmus na bata, anak ng kamote, oh. Ay, grabe, Atty. Kapunan, isa ka talagang legendary. Putragis, bilang kalaroon lang niya ang defense team. Putragis, Diyos ko po, Rudy, ibang klase.
That is what I would
Your
have
Honor,
done
please.
in the generational divide, Your Honor.
Your Honor,
counsels, you are all members of the bar and
Yes,
you're
Your
all
Honor.
counsels
I submit.
for the
I
parties.
submit.
And we will be treating and looking at each one equally. At Miss Eileen.
Yes, Your
And
Honor.
it's also-
I promise to henceforth behave.
Your
Thank
Honor,
you.
can I please respond quickly lang, no? I have high respect for Atty. Kapunan. In fact, just one of
You
my
can end there,
idols.
counsel.
Let's end here. Let's end here.
You can end there.
It might
with the
sound like
respect.
it might.
Patitik. You can end there. Okay na yan. Huwag mo na ituloy. Okay na. Papapaway mo yung drama. Tignan mo yung weakness. Napapatawa na rin.
Sound like a eulogy, Your
Putragis, pinagtatawalan na siya, mga kamsat, Coravital. Virgilio Orsolina, shout out. Good evening, mga kamsat, no? No? Mga didilis talaga kahit saan, walang disiplina, garapan lagi. Nako po. Shout out natin, kamsat, na good evening. Mukhang sayang, hindi natin talaga na-cover to kanina. Busy talaga si Maestro, pasensya. Pero at least ngayon, nag-enjoy tayo, kamsat, to. Anak ng kamote. Isa pa nga.
Kasi nga sabi mo, kailangan to apprehension. Kasi nga sabi mo, dapat may mahuli. Sinabi mo ba yan sa JC na dapat may mahuli?
Ang nakalagay po kasi sa JC under 4.8.5 is
Hindi,
proof of
sorry,
success.
Your Honor, please.
Let the witness answer, Your
Your Honor, please,
Mr.
can the-
Presiding Officer, can the counsel be instructed not to stop the witness at mid-sentence, Your Honor?
Your Honor, please, can the witness be directed? Just answer with yes or no. The counsel has her time to ask clarificatory questions later
Your Honor,
during the
not all
direct, Your
questions.
Honor.
Not all questions can be answered by yes
I am
or
on
no.
cross, Your Honor, please.
Counsels.
Never mind if you're on cross. There are limits to cross-examination. Misleading questions are not allowed.
They
on
are
cross.
allowed.
Counsels,
I don't think I need to lecture
please,
you that.
counsels, let's not allow the generational or seeming generational divide increase the tension in the courtroom. Let's keep it a notch lower.
Your Honor, please, I am preventing myself from giving her a spanking, Your Honor. That is what I would
Your
have
Honor,
done
please.
in the
counsels,
generational divide, Your Honor.
Your Honor,
counsels, you are all members of the bar and
Yes,
you're
Your Honor.
all counsels
I
for the
submit. I
parties.
submit.
And we will be treating and looking at each one equally. At Miss Eileen.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sinabi mo pa,
I promise
Corapital.
to henceforth behave.
Your
Thank
Honor,
you.
can I please respond quickly lang, no? I have high respect for Atty. Kapunan. In fact, just one of
You
my
can end there,
idols.
counsel.
Let's end here. Let's end here.
You can end there.
It might
with the
sound like
respect.
it might sound like a
Maganda talaga tawa ni Chis ngayon. Kumbaga, nag-enjoy siya. May nagbabardagulang mga attorney doon. 48 years in service versus 15 years in service. Talaga. Trageda ka ba?
eulogy, Your Honor. I'm still very much alive.
Your Honor, kahapon niya, hindi ko nga siya kinukulit, di ba? Kahit may mga questions na doon na leading, hindi naman allowed yun sa direct examination eh. I respected her.
You can end there, counsel. It's
Yeah,
respected. Thank you.
Thank you po.
Miss
Kasi nga sabi mo, kailangan
Aray ko po, Diyos ko po, Rudy. O, ito na nangyari, mga kakapsat. Oh.
Attorney, just on your spanking comment.
Oh, yung spanking comment. Sige, ito na, maganda. Oh,
Attorney, just on your spanking
pakinggan natin itong spanking comment niya. Nakakawoding spanking yan.
Is it a matter of generational issue? Just like what the presiding officer says?
Pati si Atty. Liguta tumatawa, oh.
Can you clarify on your spanking remark?
Oh, spanking, papaluin.
Kasi, syempre, figurative yun. Wala nga naman pupunta pa ako doon. Tapos, bubugbugin ko na. Hindi naman, no? I think the point of the presiding officer is a call for more patience on my part because tama naman siya, there is a generational gap. No? Not only is there a generational gap, there's a gap in experience. 48 years na ako sa practice. I have no idea what her practice is. She did say that ang practice niya ay court of tax appeals. Hindi naman litigation. So, yeah, let's give more patience.
Attorney, do you think may anger issue ba yung defense? Attorney Christine, naging galit eh.
No comment na lang.
Ma'am, what hurt you the most? Is it the demeanor, the argument, the procedure, the manner, the method? What was it?
All of the above.
Which one in particular, the most, ma'am?
All of the above. No.
Is it necessary?
What me, the prosecution really is doing everything to simplify procedures. That's why we ask for stipulation. To be more direct sa mga examination namin. Nakita niyo naman na direct ang examination namin when we present our witness, no? Because the intention really is to simplify matters for the impeachment court because sabi nga nila, they need more time to legislate. Wala na silang oras. On the other hand, while we are here, nakita nyo sa grave threats, nagpapasalamat tayo, nag-file ng NBI, no? Ng grave threats. But sa grave threats, nakita nyo from 10 or 12 witnesses, ilan ang witnesses lang namin sa grave threats? 3, di ba? Because all the other witnesses became unnecessary. Kasi klaro naman yung testimony ng 3 witnesses namin. And that's what we're trying to do also here in the confidential funds. Whereas dito nagsisimplify kami and doing everything possible para hindi masyadong technical. They're going on the technical side. Even introducing laws na hindi naman kasama dito. National Internal Revenue Code tungkol sa gross income. How is that relevant to COA? Isa pa, anong itsura ng receipts? Ba't natin pinag-uusapan ng receipt? Wala nga kayong sinabit na receipts. Beyond that, let's listen na lang because I don't want na sabihin nila some judice. No? But yes, if I sounded impatient, I guess it's a function of age.
But would you consider this as a delay?
I don't know if it's the delaying tactic, but we leave them to their own strategy. With the caution that the more they delay, the more magagalit, the more they prolong cross-examination. Na kinaflaro na nga, the presiding officer is very efficient. Si Senator Cheese is very efficient in trying to summarize. Kasi kung minsan, preliminary, 6, 5, 10 questions, wala kayong question. No? So we are thankful that the presiding officer, Cheese, is also trying to aid in the clarity of the cross-examination question.
Where do you draw the line between your opposing counsel being argumentative and being disrespectful?
I guess it depends. It depends. Sometimes argumentative,
Romero,
sometimes disrespectful. It's a function of what is the question. Kasi yung question, pag nag-argue na, argumentative. Yung disrespectful naman is the manner of mentioning
Where
it.
is she more leaning towards?
I will not comment.
But what do you feel, Attorney? Because it seems like she's very disrespectful to you as marami na kayong experience or medyo baguhan pa.
Alam mo lahat ng mga anak ko lalaki, no? Sanay na ako sa mga disrespectful. Kaya lang yung mga anak ko, pinalaki ko to be respectful. Sana siya din.
Attorney, just on your spanking comment, please
Yes,
elaborate.
okay na tayo.
Please
Travis.
elaborate.
I have a high respect for Kapuna. In fact, she's one of my idols. You can end there, you counsel. Let's end here. It might sound that sounds like a eulogy. Your Honor, I'm still very alive. Pero pa yung isa eh. Ito yata yun, no? Ito, maganda to, maganda to. Oh, sabi ni Kwan dito. Oh, ito, maganda to. Kita nyo ba? Ito sabi, oh. Your Honor, please, can the witness be directed just to answer with yes or no? The counsel has time to ask clarificatory questions later during redirect, Your Honor. Your Honor, not all questions can be answered by yes or no. I'm on cross, Your Honor. Please, never mind if you're on cross. There are limit to cross-examination. Misleading questions are not allowed on cross. They are allowed. I don't think I need to lecture you on that. What drug is that? Alak na kamote. Ito ba? Sa pahinga natin si attorney Pan. Si attorney, pahinga natin ang explanation ni attorney dyan. No? Sunog na sunog talaga dito si Pereira, mga kakamay.
Your Honor,
Sunog na. Ito. Ito, pahinga natin. Attorney Reyes.
Not all questions can be answered by yes
I am
or
on
no.
cross, Your Honor, please.
Counsels.
Never mind if you're on
Liberty, shut
cross.
up. Liberty.
There are limits to cross-examination. Misleading questions are not allowed.
They
on
are
cross.
allowed.
Counsels,
I don't think I need to lecture
please.
you that.
Counsels.
Tumatawa.
Sino ba ang nagsasabi ng totoo sa kanilang dalawa? Allowed ba or not allowed ang misleading questions during cross-examination? Okay, so let's look at the rules of court, specifically Rule 132, Section 10 on the
Okay, lecturean mo, attorney.
questions. No? So, dinefine po dito kung ano yung ibig sabihin ng leading and misleading questions. And it states here that a misleading question is one which assumes as a true a fact not yet testified by the witness or contrary to what was previously stated. It is not allowed. No?
Not
So,
allowed.
in simpler terms, ang mga misleading questions po, ito po yung mga question na nag-a-assume ka na sinabi ng witness yon kahit hindi naman. For example, tinanong ni counsel, di ba sabi mo kanina na pinatay ni A si B? Hindi naman pala sinabi ni witness yon. So that's misleading. At klarong-klaro po na sinabi sa Rule 132 Section 10 that a misleading question is not allowed. Nakalagay po sa highlighted portion. Ang leading questions, allowed po siya during cross-examination, but misleading questions are not allowed. Kaya medyo same kami na reaction ni attorney.
Not all questions can be answered by yes
I am
or
on
no.
cross, Your Honor, please.
Counsels.
Never mind if you're on cross. There are limits to cross-examination. Misleading questions are not allowed.
They are.
Okay na, ulit na. Okay na. So ito nga mga kapsan,
Your Honor.
nag-post si Kwan kasi, si Attorney Ligutan tungkol dyan sa nangyari.
Oh, sorry.
Kumbaga nilecturean niya din.
Alam niyo ho.
lahat ng lawyers at
Alam
mga
niyo ba?
law student, alam dapat yun na hindi ka pwede magkaroon ng misleading question. So, anong nangyari ito? Nag-explain si Ligutan.
Your Honor.
Attorney Virgil, just your reaction to the manifestation of the lead defense counsel about your post on social media. Attorney Virgil, just your reaction to the manifestation of the lead defense counsel
Pakinggan
about
natin
your
si
post
Kim
on
Domingo,
social media.
Katrina Domingo.
Well, supposedly, no? What I posted was, it was a statement of what the law says. That's what I posted. So kung whatever the action ng defense, sa kanila na yun. I just don't think na just because nagpa-participate tayo sa trial, walang prohibition kung ano ba in stating without adding anything to what the law or the rules are saying. Ulitin ko po, no? Klaro po sa rules of court na yung misleading questions hindi po allowed.
Sama.
So kung makikita nyo sa four corners ng post ko, no? Wala dun eh. It doesn't add anything other than ano yung nakasulat sa rules of court.
Sir, but do you agree with the defense counsel's position na yung pagkakasabi ng it is allowed was not allegedly referring to
Okay.
the misleading statement?
That's the time, but I will not comment to that. I think I am wise enough to know if ever I am about to cross the line. So, I will ulitin ko, no? Yung four corners ng post ko, it is a statement na alam ng lahat ng law student saka lahat ng abogado. Hindi po pwede yung misleading questions kahit saan, kahit kailan, pagbalik-balik na rin man yung isang hukuman. Hindi po pwede yung misleading questions. Now, kung yung depensa po magre-reklamo, with all the respect po, kung babasahin doon, I am asking you, did I mention a name? Did I mention what case? Zero. Nothing. Nada. So yung reaction if they felt alluded to, sa kanila na po yun.
Natamaan sila.
was not done in bad taste.
Of course, I mean, Dwight, this is the question now. If you post something like due process is found in the Constitution, is there anything illegal to that? Just because nagpa-participate tayo sa trial, hindi po tayo pinagbabawalan to post ano yung sinasabi ng batas. So long as hindi po tayo nagdadagdag ng pangalan, ng value, or even interpretation. I could have understood the problem kung sinabi ko doon ano yung interpretasyon ko sa batas. I didn't interpret anything. Okay. Yun na yun. Yung time is, I mean, I could post that anytime. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? I could post it anytime. Ulitin ko po. Klaro po sa rules of court. Isang bagay po. Yun po yung tinuturo ko sa aking mga estudyante. So parang sa akin, by just stating ano yung nasa rules of court, ulitin ko, without naming any person, without putting the context or hinting to that I'm alluding to anybody. With all respect po, this is free country. Hindi po bawal mag-post on one thing. Ano yung nakasulat sa batas, ano yung nakasulat sa rules of court.
Are you not pertaining talaga dun sa nangyayaring proceeding?
Okay, I will not answer that question.
Sir, but is the defense overreacting in your opinion?
I will not answer that question.
Sir, what do you make out of the presiding officer's warning?
So I lack your personnel, but my Facebook page is still very much it's on. That's my Facebook page. So ulitin ko po, no? That was just a posting of what the rules are saying. Nothing more, nothing less, walang interpretation. So
Si
kung may
Pati Bao yun,
tinamaan
di ba?
po,
Yun o, si Pati Bao.
sorry.
Tumatawa si Pati
Why
Bao.
would I? Buburahin ko ba? I mean, hindi po allowed ang misleading question. Hindi ko yan buburahin kasi yun po yung nakasaad sa ating
batas.
rules of court. Buti sana kung I name somebody. Buti sana if I said this is regarding this. Even that, no? Kung pwede pang i-argue na there's nothing wrong with that. Basahin nyo yung posts. For me, hindi. Kasi nga,
Makulit.
Ah?
Makulit si Eden Santos. O, naririnig ko. Yung timing daw. Timing daw, sabi ni Eden Santos.
that's your problem. That's your problem.
That's your point. Alak ka Eden Santos to. Naririnig ko si Eden Santos. Pakinggan niyo.
Yung posts.
Pakinggan niyo.
For me, hindi. Kasi nga, that's your problem. That's your problem.
That's your
Like what
problem.
I said, pwede ako mag-post anytime. 24 hours a day. I think that is part of my right as a human being to post something na sa tingin ko ano yung nasusulat sa rules of courts. Walang bad faith, walang malice. It's just like saying 1 + 1 = 2. At that particular time, inside an impeachment case. No misleading question is allowed, is as true as the sun rising from the east and setting at the west. 1 + 1 = 2. There's nothing illegal about it.
Pero attorney, how did you feel that you were not given a chance to explain your side during the court proceedings?
I felt nothing. I don't feel any regrets. I'm not
Kasi
guilty.
kan guys, no, sabi ni Attorney Luis Trob, mag-i-explain sana si Ligutan. Kaso pinigilan kanina ni Chis Escudero. No more, no need to para nga haba pa daw. So okay na. So hindi na siya pinagbigyan na mag-explain kung bakit nag-post si Attorney Ligutan ng ganyan. So yan mga kapsat, nakpo, nag-iiyak ka na mga karapatak. Pati si Eden Santos pala, rinig ko yung boses. Ngayon ko lang din kasi nakakapan ako, no? Pag sa cellphone kasi hindi mo masyado makakanta. Pero pag dito, maririnig mo ko. At alam na alam natin kung kaninong boses yun, di ba? Shoutout sa'yo, Ricardo. Willie. Shoutout, Kapsat. Ryan Canete, shoutout din at sasama bagong pasok. Alright, kantahan na Kapsat. Sub-topic tayo siguro, dalawa lang. Tapos lunch, dinner break tayo. Tapos, really live ulit ako. Kasi wala akong live sa buong araw, buong hapon. Ito pala yung una. Meron tayong 3 live ngayon, mga kapsan. O sige, dalawang subtopic lang tayo. So, countdown tayo in 30 seconds. Here we go.